Welcome to another episode of What's Cooking with Alva J. Today's recipe is one of my favorite comfort foods, kale and rutabaga with smoked turkey meat. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We're going to start this recipe off with smoked turkey necks. I'm cutting back on pork for the New Year's. We're going to add to that some chopped rutabagas. I got these already prepared from Piggly Wiggly. Rutabagas are packed with potassium, magnesium, and calcium. And we're going to add some kale. This bunch of kale, I had about 2 of them. And it's packed with vitamin A, C, K, and B. All right, let's go ahead and get cooking. Once we've boiled our turkey necks, we're going to pour a little bit of the water off. Then we're going to add our chopped vegetables, as well as onions and seasoning, which will be listed in the description. We're going to let that boil, turn the fire down, and let it simmer until the water is a little bit off. And then once it's tender and ready, you're ready for serving. I had mine with macaroni and cheese. So, bon appetit. And if you liked watching this video, remember to hit the subscribe button, like it, and notification bell. Goodbye.